Friends at home, we are here at school and we are starting number corner. So first I want you to look at our calendar. We have a pattern going on and you already told me what the pattern is. I want you to think about what's underneath this square today. It's going to be there. I'm going to step out of the way so you can see. Friends at home, you should be looking for the pattern as well. Yes.
I think that color must be maybe a yellow.
Oh, you think this must be a yellow. How do you know that, Aria?
Because of that, I noticed that those patterns colors.
Yeah, you see it in the pattern, right?
Yeah.
What else do you think is going to be under there? Yes.
Maybe popsicle sticks.
Popsicle sticks. What else? Lucas.
A rubber band on it.
What?
A rubber band on it.
I can't hear you, sorry.
A rubber band on it.
Oh, why do we put a rubber band around it? Lucas, do you remember why? Who remembers why? He thinks that there's going to be popsicle sticks and a rubber band around it. Adele.
Because I forgot the word, but that's in a group.
A group of how many?
10.
10. It's called a bundle. Say that with me. Bundle.
Bundle.
What's a bundle again?
Full of 10.
It's a group of 10. Good job. What number is going to be under here?
Yellow.
We know that it's going to be yellow. What number? Yesterday was 16. What's today?
17.
Let's take a look. See if you're right. My friends at home, think about if you were right. Look at that. Aria told us that it was going to be yellow. Nice work. Lucas said popsicle sticks, and he said that there's going to be a rubber band because we know there's a group of 10. How many extra popsicle sticks are here? So we have a group of 10, and how many extra? Who can see that? I'm going to bring the computer up a little bit closer so my friends at home can look as well. So we have our group of 10. How many extra popsicle sticks? 7 extra. How did you know that so quickly?
Because there's 10 and then there's a 7.
There's a 10. We have one group of 10 and 7 extra ones. Good job. So today, everyone, is Thursday. Let's try that again. Today is Thursday, September 17th, 2020. Let me fix this. We're going to move over to our calendar grid. We're going to put a 17. What am I going to draw?
One of those rubber bands on some popsicle sticks.
So we're going to have a bundle and then 7
Bundle
extra.
And then 7 extra popsicles.
Why do you think we put a rubber band around it? Why not just have popsicle sticks everywhere? Why do we have to clump them together? A group of 10. Why do you think? While I'm drawing this picture, I want you to turn and talk. Tell your partner, why would we put a rubber band around a group of 10? What would that help us with? Yep, just turn your bodies.
I don't have.
What do you think you should do then, buddy? Who doesn't have a partner? Yeah, so turn and talk. Aria, where do you think you should go if you don't have a partner? What could you do? Yeah? Why do you think we use a bundle? Look at, remember, this is a bundle. Why not just take the rubber band off? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice job having your voice back at a 0 and eyes on Mrs. Owen. Tom, what did you say, buddy?
Because if your dad has the band, they'll spread all over the place.
You're right. Watch this. Look at this band, right? This is a bundle of, we know that there's 10. What if I take this off and just put it in here? Can you tell that there's more than 10 in there?
No.
We don't really know, do we? A bundle makes it easier. We can tell right away that it's a group of 10. We do not have to count those. That is why we do that. So I drew my picture with my bundle. How many 10s in the number 17? Friends, away from the table a little bit. 1 10. We know that because there's a group of 10. There's a bundle. How many extra ones, Daniel? You already told us. 7. And we all know that 10 plus 7 equals what, everyone? What does it equal?
17.
You're right. Let's move to our date. What am I going to change up here? It says 9-16-20, but that's not right.
17.
What am I going to change to 17? What number am I going to change? The 16, because that's our day, and it says it right on there. I'm going to bring the computer over so you can see that up close. So it says our month, our day, and our year. We know we're still in September, so that stays the same, but our day changes. Our year also stays the same. So I'm going to change that to a 17 because today is September 17th, 2020. Uh-oh, how many days in school? Yesterday we learned that there were 11. What's today? Yes. 12. How'd you know that, Madison?
Because I already know that there's 10. Then I counted on.
What is that fancy word called? Remember, I said it on Number Corner yesterday. What is a group of 10? It's called a bundle, and what else could we call that?
10th grade.
Oh, not quite. There are 10 there, you're right.
I might have to rewatch that video.
It starts with a D. Decade. But we know that there's a bundle. There's a group of 10 and 2 more. 10 and 2 more is 12. So I'm going to change this to a 12. How do I write a 12? Oh, I know. Thumbs up, thumbs down. No, I'm seeing some of my friends write it that way. Again, my friends at home, check that out. That's not right. What number is that?
It's 21.
Madison, thanks for raising a quiet hand. Yeah, what should it be? How do I write it? Go ahead. Yep, just use your words.
The 1 is supposed to be in front of the 2.
Oh, so I wrote it backwards. So I need a 1 and then a 2 for 12. Good job. We're going to play our little pennies and nickels game. How much is a nickel worth again, my friends? Show me with your fingers. Those of you at home, you should be holding up your fingers for how much a nickel is worth. Our nickel is silver, remember. Good, I'm seeing most of you go like this. A nickel is worth 5 cents. What is a penny worth? There's our penny, the copper one. Show me with your finger. Only 1. So I'm going to spin. Look at what I got, my friends. I want you to think about it. Don't blurt. Think about what I rolled. What is it worth? What is it called?
Nickel.
It is a nickel. Look at that. I rolled a nickel. How much is a nickel worth? Maddie? You showed me. What is that worth? 5. You're right. So I'm going to take my nickel. We're on week 2. So I'm going to take my nickel and put it in week 2. Piece it up. So I'm going to stick it in there. And then, what should I do next with my grid? What should I grab? What should I grab to put on here? Yeah, go ahead. A nickel. So I'm going to do that. Your voice is off. A want you to take a look at our grid. What do you notice? Which one has the most? Which one has the least? Look at what is going on with my grid. I'm going to hold the camera up so my friends at home can see as well. What do you notice? If you're at home, you should be maybe telling someone near you what you notice, or you can say it out loud or in your mind. What do you notice?
Nickels have the least.
The nickels have the least. Is that right? The nickels have the least. What else do you notice? Good job. Yep, down.
The bottom one has the most.
The bottom one has the most. What is the bottom one called? What are those called? What are they called? Pennies. Pennies have the most. Daniel.
The pennies are more, but they're not as good as nickels.
The pennies do have more. You're right. How many more do the pennies have than the nickels? Can anyone tell me? How many more? 7 more? So we have 4. Let's count 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that right? No. Not right. How many more do the pennies have? Right here, they're the same, 4 and 4, but how many more? Lucas.
The bottom one has 8.
The bottom one has 8. How many does nickels have? How many? 4. So what's the difference? How many more do we need to make them the same? So my friends at home, think about that. Pennies have 8. And our nickels have only 4. So how many more, my friends? If you have 8, and if you have 4 and you need to get to 8, how many more do you need?
You need 4 more, or you could take away 4.
Oh, you need 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need 4 more to get to 8. Let's count that. 1, come with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is right, Daniel. Good thinking. I'm going to have you all quietly head back to your desk and get ready for reading. And I will see you all on Monday.